Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about EC2 Instance Connect Endpoint. So basically, usually we are following jump host to connect our private subnet servers, which usually doesn't have internet and I would say public IP. So there is a feature in AWS EC2 Instance Connect Endpoint. So we will discuss about the demo, how to create and all these things. So let's start. So basically we have already EC2 instance endpoint and endpoint SG and rules. In the rules of the endpoint, we have only outbound rules need to be created. And in the same EC2 instance, create a EC2 instance in private subnet, create SG. Both rules need to be added. I will discuss rules. And endpoint SG ID need to be allowed in instance SG. Okay, let's discuss key point. What we need to taken care: rules, protocols, and IAM policy. Because EC2 instance connect endpoint, so EC2 server should have a some IAM policy. So then we can do that. So let's go for the VPC endpoint. So basically I will show you. Basically, already I have created. Let me tell you, this is not a 1 minute, 1 second like testing, and I would say like this name and what we need to do. One VPC, which VPC we want to create, and security group. I have used this security group. Okay, and the subnet only private subnet. I have used private subnet 5B03. Okay, and just create. So it will create. So I will show you all these details inside that. I told you okay, this is destination VPC. Subnet I told you this is 1503. Okay, and I told you SG. So three things is usually required. This is SG. Okay, and subnet you can get it from here itself. Okay, 1503. Okay, this is created. So major thing is here. What is in SG, right? So SG, this is like this is the SG 8086 8086. We have to add only outbound. Okay, this outbound sections. So first SSH, so we need to use custom TCP. Okay, like this custom TCP. This is we need to select custom TCP and then save it. So this SG is it's same SG group ID, and this is the private subnet. Here is a private subnet range. Okay, just need to add it. Okay, private subnet, let me tell you subnet, this is the private subnet range. Okay, we have launched server in the private subnet. Okay, so this is the setting. We need to taken care about the rules. Outbound rules need to be added. Okay, nothing more than that. Here itself we need to add outbound rules. Okay, only outbound section. This is instance connect outbound. There is no inbound rules here, right? In the endpoint SG, we are talking about endpoint SG. Let's go for the EC2. So basically we have created an EC2, and this is also I would say like same subnet, destination VPC, and subnet is private 1503, where we have created I would say endpoint. Okay, so go to the endpoint first. I will tell you route table. This is the private route table, because there is no need to create endpoint in the public subnet here, right? So this is there is no route, only single route. Okay, single route. Okay, nothing more than that. There is no need to play in the route section. This is route. And subnet, which subnet we had launched our I would say endpoint and EC2 server. So let's go to the EC2 server. So EC2 server is already now it's running. Okay, and we have added a one SG and EC2 server. So security, let me show you in the SG section itself, because we do have a very limited SG here. So this is EC2 private SG. We have added here both end, right, inbound. So this is the endpoint SG, okay, ID. Okay, this is the private subnet range. So we need to add in inbound as well. Same set of rule are inside the outbound as well. So this is the difference. Endpoint SG only outbound, an EC2 instance inbound and outbound both. Okay, same rule need to be added. Like here you need to select custom TCP. Post add whatever coming, but you need to select custom TCP and save it. Right now it is coming same, so nothing difference, but you need to select custom TCP. Okay. So now SG part is clear. Let's go for the EC2 server right now. So and we need to connect EC2 server using EC2 instance endpoint. If you guys like this video, kindly do say this is the endpoint. See, in the production we do have a multiples. Okay, so make sure you need to select right one. Okay, endpoint and then going to connect. So basically this is the system will come after that. Now we are able to connect, right? This is the IP. Okay, and one more thing I have hide it here, right? This is security, modify IAM role. Basically IAM role is here is mandatory, so some set of the rules of permissions. So let's go for the IAM role, same IAM role. Okay, okay, same role I am going, this is the same role. Okay, and this is this. So let's do, I have selected two permissions, EC2 Instance Connect, and this is custom one. Okay, so let's do that. Sorry, it is AWS manage. We need to do this, right? So add it. I have copied only from AWS console. Okay, nothing more than that. I have added all these things, right? Okay, and this is, and from where I have copied, I'll tell you. This is the URL itself. This is the copy. Okay, permission EC2 Instance Connect, and the Linux one I have copied. Linux one. This is the entire one. Okay, you just need to copy this, right? Sorry, till this, and just need to add OS user, AMI user, whatever your AMI is, EC2 user I have added, and here I have added private IP address. This is my private subnet range. Here is my endpoint. Okay, URL ARN. Okay, so this is I have already changed, and now it's working properly fine. So if you guys look like more deep dive video for this, I have also created one more. Okay, so you can go through, and if you like this, kindly do share and subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.